Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch control Porsche 911 Easy Guide. Hold the brake firmly, engage Sport Plus, and set traction control to the recommended setting. Make sure tires are warm and pressures match manufacturer specs before attempting a launch. Practice in a safe, legal area away from traffic and pedestrians. Begin with steady throttle input and release the brakes smoothly to maintain control and avoid wheel hop. Before you try launch control, warm up the tires and brakes with a few easy laps or gentle runs. Check tire pressures, brake fluid levels, and cooling systems to prevent failures. Verify driver aids are configured correctly and choose a safe closed course or track with permission. Bring a passenger or spotter if possible and wear proper safety gear. Start slowly and increase intensity as you build confidence over time. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a game changer for keeping your garage and car interiors tidy after track days with voice control and smart mapping. It picks up crumbs, dust, and pet hair with strong suction and hands-free convenience. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To execute a clean launch, hold the brake, blip the throttle to desired RPM, then release the brake while progressively applying throttle. Avoid full throttle snap that causes wheel hop or excessive spin. Learn the feel of clutch and torque delivery, and use telemetry or data logging to refine inputs. If traction control intervenes, note its effects and adjust settings incrementally. Stay calm and focus on smooth inputs and timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.